Happy morning! Today I'll show you the Christmas DIY items I made in the past and which I have featured in my other channel, Coffee, Tea, or Poetry. But wait, I have to see the door. Somebody left a package. This must be a mystery box. Before I show you what's inside, let's see first the DIY items I made. Let's talk about this tree. Let's talk about this tree. I'm in this tree. Let's talk about this tree. I'm in this tree. So what's so special about this tree? This is the first Christmas tree I ever owned. I got this at a clearance sale at True Value. Aside from paying for this mini fairy lights which I got from Minisaw, these small balls which I've had for the longest time, and probably the glitters which I use in this star, these are all I paid for. These are all DIYs from free items. Mini tree that's cost free. I have ribbons and yarns from gifts I received on different occasions. This red and white twisted combo is a good match to this dark green yarn. Mason jar lids get rusty and thus not ideal to use as food containers. I usually replace them with green lid from Parmesan cheese bottles, which fit perfectly. Mason jar lids have two parts, one outer circle and one full inner round. If shopping bags cannot be reused anymore, I save the ribbon handles. I keep them for crafts, gift wrapping supply, and any other recycling ideas. Even extra buttons I keep in my stash. So let's start by wrapping this shopping bag ribbon around the rusty mason jar lid. I'm doing simple crafts which do not require sophisticated skills and equipment. I am just a beginner. I am just reusing materials. But at this point, I have to admit that even if I'm just taking this ribbon around, gluing, cutting, this simple process relaxes me. And at the same time excites me. It excites me to be able to recreate and refresh what are otherwise could be considered as trash or just left in the stash. It is good to experiment and just let the design flow. The fun part in doing crafts is in how one idea can lead to another, and then to another, until you have a set which are somehow similar and yet each one unique from one another. Mason jar lids which have rusted, cartons, feelers, and other packages, ribbons and paper bag handles from gifts and from shopping bags, straws, probably not the best ornaments, but practically free and rescued from being thrown away. Oh little tree, I would adorn you with things that are pretty free, with wreaths that bring me glee. I love doing DIYs, creating small cheers that sparkle to thee. Thinking about Christmas gifts for my friends, I know they like kitchen or tea towels. For a little twist, I added seasoning mix. I like using this to flavor my rice or any dish. Then I used the kitchen towels to wrap these bottles. My mommy Carmen crochets the edges. I chose this ribbon for easy and relaxed look. I tell you, my friends really loved both the seasoning mix and the kitchen towel. So I bought some more bottles for my other friends at work. And I asked my mom for more kitchen towels. I love the variety of designs and the crochet thread combinations. Let me do some more. I could not help but appreciate the crochet done by mommy. Wrapping gifts with usable, unique, and lovely kitchen towels make gift giving extra special. In my mind, I was already thinking who from my friends will like stripes, checkered, brown, colorful, neutral. Then I made a third batch for some more gifts for my other friends. I made them choose the design they like. It was really fun. Happy giving!
And we will open the mystery box on my next video. This is Handling Home My Way.